In this video, we're going to talk about common cleaning mistakes. I said it. If you want to know more, then you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating on a budget a bit easier. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while we're here, why don't you give your girl a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you a thing to give me a thumbs up, but it will help my channel. Also comment and share my videos. Now today I'm continuing on with my Healthy and Natural Home series. Today we're going to talk about the common 7 mistakes when cleaning. Now this is not any particular order. This is just how I wrote them down. Vacuuming first. I don't recommend that, but I know some people who do it. It should work to me, vacuuming at the end of cleaning a room is beneficial. You pick up everything that you dusted off the table. If you have small kids, you got crumbs and crap everywhere, and you knock it off on the floor. You can vacuum it at the end to vacuum up everything, and your room is tidy. The next thing is cleaning without decluttering. Okay, it makes it easier if you first have 2 steps. And the first step is to declutter. Pick up everything that does not belong in the room and put it away. And then clean your room. Because if you clean without decluttering, you're just moving a pile from one side of the room to the other. But if you do the 2 steps where you declutter first, where you put everything up that doesn't belong in there and then clean, you'll accomplish more. Okay? Now, the next thing I want to say is smell. It smells too fake to be clean. Okay, what I mean by that is if you have an odor in your home, and instead of finding out where the odor comes from, you spray in, or you got candles, you got plug-ins to cover the smell. Well, you can still smell the smell. But now it's flowery, and it still stinks. So find what's making the smell, and then attempt to clean that area or that object up. Maybe trash, take it out. Find out what the smell is coming from. Clean that. And then you can put your air fresheners or your plug-ins or your candles or whatever, and your house will smell great. Trust me. The next thing is using more product. The more product, the better. No, if you use, okay, what's an example? If you use too much, what is that stuff called? You put on your floor, you polish your floor. If you use the whole bottle on one square and mop that one square, you know that's too much product for that area. So sometimes less is better or less is more. So if you use a little product will go a long way. A lot of the products they make now are concentrated. So it may take you, instead of using the whole bottle, you may use like a 1/4 of a cup and put it in mixture with water to spread it out to stretch it. It will make a big difference. It does the same thing, but you're just not overusing product. And the next thing I have is self-cleaning. Okay. What I mean by this, just because it's a washing machine does not mean that it cleans itself. The best results for a washing machine, when you're finished doing all your laundry, do not close the door on the washing machine because it is still damp inside. You want to leave your door open to give it time to air dry. And then once it's dry later on that night, if it's not in the way of anything, later on that night you can go and close it. And then it'll help keep your wash machine smelling fresh. Trust me, because a wash machine can start to smell sour, and you don't want that smell to go in your clothes. And also that rubber around the top, around the door, if you take you some water and vinegar on a towel and wash that plastic on the inside of your wash machine, that helps also of making sure that your wash machine does not have an odor. Now, I hope this tad bit of information that I've given you. Oh, and one more thing. I was asked about a disinfectant. Now, they told me that they thought the disinfectant would take away dirt, but that's not what a disinfectant is for. A disinfectant, it kills and removes bacteria. It's not, when you think of a disinfectant, think of peroxide. You know how you pour peroxide on a cut and it bubbles? Okay, that's a disinfectant. A disinfectant kills all germs and bacteria. Okay, that's what it is. So when you think of disinfectant, think of that it does like peroxide. And a cleaner or a cleaning product, it lifts dirt from surfaces like Lysol, Fabuloso, the Method multi-purpose cleaner. Those are cleaners. Those type of things. Use those to remove dirt and stains from tables, floors, furniture. Those things are cleaners. Okay. So a disinfectant is like peroxide. That's how I remember what it is when I was taught this. A disinfectant is like peroxide. It kills all the germs. And a cleaner is like alcohol. It cleans all the dirt that's around it. Okay? So I hope this tad bit of information was very helpful. If it was, please let me know down below in the comments if it was helpful to you. I just thought that I would let you know about the common mistakes of cleaning. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.